Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor device to CUBOT Note 50. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then select Close at the top in this pop-up or just simply click on your device's displays. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of Honor and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Note 50. Then go back to Honor and using all of those categories at the top, select all of those files that you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you wish to use. To connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you wish to input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And hit Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!